Hi everyone, in the Fluency Development series, here is another set of important words along with their combinations. Remember, all these words are high frequency words and most often used in our everyday English. Consistent practice with these words will bring the dramatic change in your fluency level. This course will train you to express your thoughts, ideas, and emotions exactly the way you want to convey. This is specially designed for those who knows the basics of the English and want to work on their fluency only. Now, why should you learn the way I tell you? You should learn the way I tell you because it gives you the power to express your emotions with the same intensity as you go through at the time of speaking, to generate the desired response and reaction from your audience and from your listener. And it also prepares you with the ready-made assembled word groups that helps you to achieve high degree of fluency. So let's start with the first word today: material. Cheap material, fine material, natural material, relevant material, sensitive material, soft material, useful material. Next one is matter: complex matter, different matter, financial matter, foreign matter, legal matter, personal matter, political matter, serious matter, important matter, sensitive matter, little matter, the whole matter. Next one is meaning: the same meaning, broad meaning, clear meaning, deep meaning, double meaning, inner meaning, exact meaning, real meaning, and true meaning. Next one is means: effective means, efficient means, legal means, limited means, necessary means, possible means, private means, traditional means, and useful means. Next one is measure: the key measure, necessary measure, significant measure, severe measure, simple measure, special measure, strong measure, temporary measure, tough measure, true measure, useful measure, appropriate measure, effective measure, and important measure. The next one is meeting: the brief meeting, crucial meeting, important meeting, general meeting, long meeting, personal meeting, private meeting, public meeting, regular meeting, secret meeting, short meeting, special meeting, successful meeting, annual meeting, important meeting, and frequent meeting. Next one is memory: bad memory, good memory, short memory, poor memory, positive memory, sad memory, sweet memory, wonderful memory, and excellent memory. Another one is mind: common mind, open mind, right mind, brilliant mind, quick mind, sharp mind, sick mind, active mind, interesting mind, and best mind. Next one is mistake: big mistake, common mistake, fundamental mistake, little mistake, past mistake, serious mistake, terrible mistake, expensive mistake, and obvious mistake. Next one is moment: critical moment, bad moment, weak moment, brief moment, difficult moment, dramatic moment, key moment, perfect moment, quiet moment, sad moment, important moment, big moment, exact moment, and right moment. Another one is month: recent month, cold month, dry month, full month, following month, last month, the previous month. Next one is mountain: beautiful mountain, big mountain, great mountain, high mountain, tall mountain, huge mountain, and low mountain. Next one is move: a big move, brilliant move, current move, legal move, military move, positive move, rapid move, recent move, serious move, strong move, wrong move, initial move, obvious move, usual move, latest move, and right move. And the last one is music: beautiful music, classical music, emotional music, heavy music, light music, lovely music, modern music, original music, popular music, soft music, and western music. I am pretty sure, friends, your degree of fluency has been improving gradually. Soon we are coming up with the basic English, soft skills, and personality development and campus preparation as well. Please like and subscribe this channel. Do share these videos with your friends, colleagues, and your relatives. And if you have any queries, you can always reach me on my email ID. Thank you very much for watching.